Animal communication is an essential aspect of life for many species. It enables them to convey vital information to one another, such as the location of food, the presence of predators, and the desire to mate. Throughout this video, we'll explore the various methods animals use to communicate, including vocalizations, body language, chemical signaling, bioluminescence, and color displays. Understanding these forms of communication can help us appreciate the intricate and complex world of animal interactions, as well as offer valuable insights for humans. Vocalizations are an essential form of communication for many animal species. They can serve various purposes, such as attracting mates, warning of predators, or identifying territory. Birds are well known for their diverse and intricate songs, but mammals like whales, wolves, and even primates also rely on vocalizations for communication. The complexity and diversity of these vocalizations can be astonishing, as each species has its unique set of calls and sounds. By studying these vocalizations, we can learn more about the social structures and behaviors of different animal species, as well as uncover fascinating insights into the evolution of communication. Body language plays a significant role in animal communication, often conveying information about emotions, intentions, or social status. Animals use a range of body language signals, such as posture, facial expressions, and tail movements, to communicate with each other. For example, a dog may wag its tail to express happiness, while a cat's raised fur and arched back can indicate fear or aggression. In the wild, animals like deer and gazelles use body language to alert others to potential threats, with an alarm posture that signals the presence of a predator. Interpreting body language is essential for animals to understand each other and react accordingly. For example, in a social hierarchy, submissive behaviors like crouching or lowering the head can help maintain group harmony by acknowledging the dominant individual. Studying body language in animals can provide valuable insights into their social structures, emotions, and behavior patterns, contributing to our understanding of the natural world. Chemical signaling, particularly through the use of pheromones, plays an essential role in animal communication. Pheromones are chemical substances released by animals to transmit information to other members of their species. They can convey a range of messages, such as marking territory, attracting mates, or signaling alarm. For example, ants use pheromones to create a trail for their nestmates to follow to a food source, while some moths release pheromones to attract mates over long distances. There are numerous examples of chemical signaling across various species. Honeybees use pheromones to communicate the location of a food source to other bees in their hive. In mammals, urine marking is a common way to establish territory boundaries, while female mammals often release pheromones to signal their readiness to mate. Chemical signaling has both advantages and disadvantages. One advantage is that it can be effective over long distances and in low visibility conditions. Pheromone signals can also persist for extended periods, allowing for continuous communication even when the sender is not present. However, a disadvantage of chemical signaling is that it can be less precise than other forms of communication, like vocalizations or body language, as the signals can disperse and be affected by environmental factors such as wind and temperature. Bioluminescence and color displays serve a variety of functions in animal communication. Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by living organisms, while color displays are the use of vibrant colors and patterns to convey messages to other animals. Both forms of communication can be used for attracting mates, warning predators, or even camouflaging to blend in with the environment. There are numerous examples of bioluminescence and color displays across different animal species. Fireflies use bioluminescence to attract mates by producing a specific pattern of light flashes. Cuttlefish and chameleons are well known for their ability to change color rapidly, allowing them to blend in with their surroundings or communicate with other members of their species. Peacocks are another example, using their vibrant and elaborate tail feathers to attract females during courtship displays. Producing and detecting light and color signals requires specialized adaptations. For instance, animals that use bioluminescence typically have specialized cells or organs called photophores that produce light through a chemical reaction. Some deep-sea creatures, like the anglerfish, have even evolved symbiotic relationships with bioluminescent bacteria to aid in their communication and hunting. In the case of color displays, animals may have unique pigments or structures in their skin or feathers that enable them to produce and manipulate color. To detect these signals, animals often possess specialized visual systems adapted to their specific communication needs. Understanding animal communication can offer numerous benefits to humans. For example, researchers studying animal communication can apply their findings to improve our understanding of human language and cognition. Additionally, insights gained from studying animal communication can inform wildlife conservation efforts, helping to preserve the natural world and its biodiversity. There are several examples of human-animal communication that demonstrate our ability to learn from and interact with other species. One well-known example is the use of trained dogs for various tasks, such as assisting people with disabilities, search and rescue missions, and therapy work. In these cases, dogs and humans learn to understand and communicate with each other through vocalizations, body language, and even olfactory cues. Another example is the study of primate communication, which has provided insights into the evolutionary origins of human language. Researchers have successfully taught sign language and the use of symbols to communicate with primates like chimpanzees and bonobos, further bridging the gap between human and animal communication. When studying and interacting with animals, it's important to consider the ethical implications of our actions. Researchers must ensure that their studies do not harm the animals involved or disrupt their natural behaviors. Moreover, as we continue to learn more about animal communication, we must also consider the broader implications of our actions on the ecosystems and environments in which these animals live. By taking these ethical considerations into account, we can work towards a better understanding of animal communication while respecting the needs and welfare of the animals themselves. In this section, we will discuss the significance of social communication within animal groups. Communication plays a vital role in the functioning of animal societies, as it enables individuals to coordinate their activities, maintain social bonds, and establish hierarchies. Complex communication systems are often found in social animals such as ants, bees, elephants, and primates. For instance, honeybees use the waggle dance to convey information about the location and distance of food sources to their fellow hive members. This remarkable form of communication allows bees to work together efficiently in their search for nectar and pollen. Another example can be seen in elephants, which are known for their intricate social structure and strong familial bonds. Elephants use a variety of vocalizations and physical gestures to communicate with one another, such as infrasonic calls that can travel long distances and are essential for coordinating group movements, as well as reassuring and comforting each other in times of stress. In many social animal groups, effective communication is crucial for decision-making and consensus building. For example, in meerkat societies, individuals take on different roles like sentinels, who keep watch for predators and alert the group to any potential danger. The meerkats rely on the sentinel's alarm calls to know when it's safe to forage or when they need to take cover. Similarly, in some primate species, collective decision-making occurs through vocalizations and body language. For instance, a group of chimpanzees might decide where to forage or rest by following the vocal cues and movements of their fellow group members, ultimately reaching a consensus based on the majority's preference. In conclusion, social communication in animal groups is vital for maintaining organization and cohesion within societies. The ability to convey information effectively and make collective decisions contributes to the success and survival of these social species. In this video, we have discussed the various aspects of animal communication, including vocalizations, body language, chemical signaling, bioluminescence, and color displays. We have also explored the importance of animal communication in the context of human-animal interactions and the ethical considerations involved in studying and interacting with animals. To recap, understanding animal communication is crucial for gaining insight into the natural world and the many species with which we share our planet. Studying the diverse communication methods used by animals can help us appreciate the complexity of their behaviors and improve our ability to communicate with and protect these species. Additionally, the insights gained from animal communication research can have far-reaching implications for human language, cognition, and our understanding of the evolutionary origins of communication. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of animal communication, it is vital to consider the ethical implications of our actions and ensure the welfare of the animals we study. By doing so, we can deepen our understanding of the natural world while respecting the needs and well-being of the species that inhabit it.